Hello and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade. Must thank Corinna from Life's Little Things here for hosting this organization 2019 challenge. Do check her channel and playlist created by her. So I thought what can be more appropriate than an attempt to organize my own life and time, and what better way than starting a bullet journal. I have seen many videos on journaling, mostly by students, travelers, artists, primarily single person. But we homemakers, homeschooling parents, and work from home or stay at home moms also need to journal. It is halfway through January and my attempts at journaling are going good. If I can, so can you. You can buy special notebooks, but I just took one notebook from the many notebooks lying in the house. What I want to say is just start with what you have. The content and effort is more important than the equipments used. My notebook is spiral bound with faint dotted lines and some quote on the pages. I just tore off the unwanted pages and covered the front and back with white paper in order to customize it. I am using only a black pen, a gold pen, and a pencil for my journaling. I started by drawing my initial and writing 2019 out at the front. This is just a random flourish. One can paste pictures, stamps, or quotes. Your journal, your choice. Must have a calendar. Honestly, this does not take more than 5 minutes. Next, I kept 3 pages for important dates such as birthdays, marriage anniversary, etc. Then a page on books I read all through the year. Then a page on places I visited. I was on vacation, so a few notes here as Connaught Place and Red Fort. Here is my month journal starting with January. Another month-wise calendar come planner to add notes to appointment or dates. I use the leftover space to doodle or quote. This is an interesting thing I learned to keep track of things like healthy good routine habits, like I need to do back exercises every day and drink at least 2 liters of water. A check in each column for date will let me know how I am doing and also encourage me the next day. I just use my pencil to shade a box half or full to keep track. You can keep track of reading habits, medicines, or just anything. Next, I put a page for gratitude and decided to jot down good things or thoughts that I experienced that made me feel thankful for my life and what I have got. This is something good I came up with, the budget page. On expenses side, I am jotting down major expenses like fuel, grocery, dinner out, etc. And on saving side, I am going to write market value of task or thing that I did on my own and saved money. When we create something or do something on our own, we save money. Money saved is money earned. Like I stitched a shift dress for myself and saved rupees 300, which is the making charge in a tailor shop. Target page is mainly for the project that crossed my mind and that I want to do, or videos that I want to create. Here is my first week spread with each box representing a day, and I have put down tasks for the day ahead of time and tick marked what is done. Some space to put my doodling, my thoughts, the next week's spread. And now this week's spread. My journal is gradually building and evolving with time. It is my journal, so it will be my way. As things grow and I settle down, I may add more topics as per my need and embellish it further or keep it minimal as I feel like. Use keys or follow rules of journal keeping if I want to. It is my decision. After all, it is my journal. For those who stayed with me till this part in the video, here are my notes before I started. A rough sketch, what I need to do and my script and thoughts for the voiceover. Let me know if you found the video helpful by hitting the like button, comment and subscribe to my channel. Do comment if you want to know how my journal keeping continues in the later months of the year. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.